are never stupid. If you're wondering about it, then it's worth asking. You have a right to understand what is going on with your body. Before you go in for that appointment, write down those questions as soon as you think about it or as soon as it comes to your mind, not right before the appointment. Prioritize your list. Put your most important questions on top, just because sometimes you may run out of time. Bring that written list to your visit. You are okay. It's fine for you to even read from it. You should also be able to track your symptoms. When did they start? How often has it been going? Is it getting worse? Is it getting better? Because these are some of the questions that you will be asked and you should be able to answer. If you still find yourself being nervous, then start small. You can start by asking, what does this condition mean? Can you explain to me in simple terms or in a different way? With each time you ask your questions and you get response, then you begin to ease out and it gets better. Another strategy is to use specific phrases that work. For example, can you explain this condition to me in a different way? If I were your family member, what would you advise? Excuse me, doctor, what are my options? What happens if I do not take this treatment? Can you write this down for me or give me materials that can help me understand my condition better? You are allowed to bring that trusted friend or even a family member. Your best friend or your family member can help ask questions as well as remember some of the things that were discussed during your visit. They can also take notes for you while you focus on the discussion or the conversation with the physician. If you are still unclear or confused towards the end of your visit, then you can pause your physician and say, I want to make sure that I understand this clearly. You can also ask for written resources and even websites that will help your understanding. If you feel rushed, you can ask, can I schedule a longer appointment next time to discuss my concerns or my condition? It is possible to finish a doctor's visit and still have questions on your way home. That's fine. You can call the office or use your patient portal. That is why it's there. Know your rights. You are entitled to understand your diagnosis, treatment options, as well as your medications. You can always seek a second opinion. You can even request for your medical records. Now, this is the bigger picture. Not asking questions can lead to medication errors as well as receiving treatments that you are not comfortable with. Speaking up is a form of self-care and responsibility for your own health.